Welcome to English revision class. I revised the first lesson, the dog finds its master, and the glossary words for all the three lessons. I mean 2 lessons and March poem. Now March poem I have given you to practice it up to 2 stanzas. The cock is crowing, the stream is flowing, the small birds twitter, the lake doth glitter. The green field steps in the sun. The oldest and the youngest are at work with the strongest. The cattle are grazing, their heads never raising. There are 40 feeding like one. So this is for written and up to 4 stanzas for oral. Got it, children? And question. And I revised the choose the correct answers for these also. So let's practice this. Who are at work? The youngest and oldest are in the work. Why are the cows not raising their heads? The cows are grazing the grass, so the cows do not raising their heads. What is the fluff boy doing? The fluff boy is woofing anon on the top of the bare hill. So like this you have to write the answers. Repeat it. Listen repeatedly and learn the answers. Question number D. Why does the poet say that the snow is only on the top of the bare hill? Answer. It was spring season. So the snow is only on the top of the hill, bare hill. Bare hill means tip of the hill. Most of the snow is only on the top of the hill. So it melts away in the warm spring. Why is the poem called March? The poet describes the nature as seen in the month of March. So it is called March. Okay, it is spring season. It was spring time, so it was called as March. So pick the rhyming words from the poem and write down. Crowing, flowing, twitter, glitter, youngest, strongest, grazing, rising, defeated, retreated, mountains, fountains, sailing, prevailing, ill, hill. Let us move for the lesson, the Good Samaritan. Question answers. These are like true or false. Okay. The question D. Describe the pitiable state of the man in 2 short sentences. You have to write in a short sentence, 1 or 2 sentences. Okay. Answer. The man lay in the dirt moaning, all covered in blood and dirt, and making funny noises in the ditch. Question E. I don't want to dirty my hands. Who said this? To whom? Answer. The another man came after the priest said to himself. Looking to the man lying down, he said, I don't want to dirty my hands. F. I'm sure he's no one I know. Was this a good reason not to help the wounded man? Justify your answer. Answer. No, this is not a good reason. You should help a wounded man, irrespective of any reason. There is no rule to help others. There is no rule to help others. It is only a humanitarian concern to help others in danger. Question number G. Who helped the wounded man? Answer. The Samaritan who came walking along the road helped the wounded man. Question number H. Did the Samaritan have a reason not to help the wounded man? If so, what was it? Answer. The man did not have a reason not to help the wounded man. It was his love for mankind made him to help the wounded man. The wounded man was a Jew. Jews and Samaritans were enemies for centuries. Question. There was something special in the fourth man's act of kindness. What was it? Answer. The wounded man was a Jew. The man who helped him was a Samaritan. Jews and Samaritans were enemies for centuries. Despite this enmity, the good Samaritan helped the wounded Jewish man. Question K. What first aid did the Samaritan give the wounded man? Answer. Very gently the Samaritan lifted the man's head and brushed the dust. He cleaned the man's eyes and gave some water to drink. L. The Samaritan was well-to-do. Give two reasons for this after reading the text. The Samaritan owned a donkey and carried wine with him. Second one, he gave some money to the innkeeper to take care of wounded man. Question M. Who narrated this parable? Answer. Jesus Christ narrated this parable. N. What moral lesson did Jesus teach through this parable? Answer. Jesus taught his followers to love everybody, especially strangers and those who are in need of help. So especially for strangers and those who are in need of help. Okay, this much you have to practice for the FA1. Learn all these answers. So listen the video repeatedly so that you can learn very easily and go through your question answers. Thank you.